Today we are going to put the TC Pro M2 to the test. We are going to see how well the TC Pro M2 does with mincing meat. So we have here about 200 to 250 grams of already pre-frozen beef mince, beef steak. Just casserole steak is perfectly good enough, and I've chopped that up. It's still partially frozen, and that's how we want it. If you've got a fresh cut of meat, chop it up into cubes, put it into a Ziploc bag, make sure that it's nice and flat, the air is out, and freeze that until firm, and then proceed as follows. So we're just going to pop our beef into the TC Pro M2 bowl. I'm going to do this in 2 batches. So that's batch number 1. And pop the lid on. Make sure your measuring cup is secure. Now there's 2 ways we can do this. We can either pulse it a couple of times, which we'll start first, and then we are going to just process it until we get the texture that we want. So we're going to pulse first, and we'll just do that for 1 to 2 seconds each time. And we'll just have a look. And it hasn't done anything, so we will pulse it. Okay, so the texture that we've got now, I'll just take the bowl off to show you. So it's starting to break up a little bit, so that's nice. I'll just give that a little bit of a shake loose. Pop our bowl back on. Lid back in place. And now we are just going to go on speed 6 for about 10 seconds and see if that finishes the job. And that's the mince we have, and that's about as actually fine as I want to take it. So there you go, fresh beef mince that I'm going to use in a stir fry very shortly. So easy as with the TC Pro M2, that's a really good result. As you can see, nice fresh mince. So easy done in the TC Pro M2.